Hello children, today we will study lesson 29, The Fox and the Crow. Okay, this is a story, this is a picture story. So we will first read what it is given. Read the sentences given below, underline all the naming words and describing words in the sentences. So children, two things are given here, as you can see, naming words and describing words. So naming words we have already studied. Okay, so we will have a quick revision of what is naming words, and also I will tell you in short what are describing words. So children, naming words, as we know, they are also known as nouns. Okay, these naming words are also known as nouns. Now, naming words, as we have already studied in chapter 1, these are the name of the people, places, things and animals. People, like you can say teacher, police officer, friend, sister, they all, you can say doctor, and dancer, singer, they are all people. They come in the people category. Now places, many places like your school, your home, then your beach can be there, then park is there, then house, zoo, they are all places. Okay, they are the market, shopping mall, everything comes in places. Now things can be anything, like your pencil box, your fan, table, here as it is given here, present, then apron, cake, eraser, pen, pencil, everything comes in what? They are all things. Animals like cow, dog, buffalo, here it is given like flamingo, monkey, cow, whale, means birds, water animals, everything, it all comes in the animal category. So naming words are basically the name of people, places, things and animals. They are all naming words. So children, next is the describing words. Okay, they are also known as adjectives. Describing words are also known as adjectives, like you can see here, empty, let me use brush, empty, full, big, small. So you can say empty can, the full can full of popcorn, big animal or big elephant, small ant. So they are all describing something. Okay, so they are describing something. They describe a person, animal, place or thing. Describing words describe these things. Now, 2 chocolates. How many chocolates? 2 chocolates. Yellow butterfly. Which color? Yellow. Big car. What is the size of the car? Big car. Round table. Shape of the table is round. Now these 2 chocolates, yellow butterfly, big and round, they describe the nouns chocolate, butterfly, car and table. They are describing these naming words, you can say. Okay, so you can say that they tell us about the number, color, size and shape of the nouns of different things. 2 tell the number, then the number of chocolates it is, then yellow tells the color of the butterfly, it is of yellow color, then big tells us the size of the car, it is big car. What size? Big. And round tells us the shape of the table, it is round in shape. And also describing words tells about feeling, as you can see in the picture, angry frog. So describing words are known as adjectives. So now children, as now it is clear about naming words and describing words, we will start reading what it is given here. So what you have to do, you have to read the sentences given below and underline all the naming words and describing words in the sentence. So you will underline here, this is Mr. Fox. So Mr. Fox, it is the naming word, it is a name of animal. He has a bushy tail. Now see, tail is the naming word, and what kind of tail? Bushy. So bushy is the describing word. He is a clever animal. Animal is a naming word, and you can also write, children, if you want in short. Here you can write N. Here also you can write N. Here you can write, it is describing words, so you can write D. Clever is also a describing which kind of animal? It is a clever animal. Animal is a naming word. See, this you are writing only for you to understand. Okay, I'm just giving you that you can understand. So you can write it in short form, otherwise there is no need. This is Mr. Crow. Mr. Crow is again naming word. He has black feathers. Now, feathers, it is a name of the body part, you can say. So it is a naming word. Black, which color feathers? Black. So it is adjective, or you can say describing word. He is a silly bird. Bird, again name of animal. As I said, all birds and all everything comes in the animal category. So bird is the naming word. And silly, what kind of bird? Silly bird. So it is a describing word. Now, this is the branch of a tree. Branch, again part of a tree, you can say. It's the name of a part of the tree. So it is a naming word. Tree, again a naming word. Mr. Crow, name of the animal or name of the bird. So it is a naming word. Is sitting on the branch. Branch is also naming word. He has a piece of cheese in his beak. Piece, matlab tukda, that is a naming word. Cheese, it is the name of the food, you can say. Naming word. Beak, again part of the crow. Chonch, beak means chonch, so it is also a naming word. So children, these are the underlined parts are the naming words. Now next we will see, read the B part, read the following story. Okay, there's a story given. Let's see what it is given here. Mr. Crow was sitting on the branch of a tree. He had a piece of cheese in his beak. Mr. Fox saw Mr. Crow. He wanted the piece of cheese. Mr. Fox was a clever animal. He told Mr. Crow that Mr. Crow was a beautiful bird. He said that Mr. Crow could also sing very well. So he wished to hear Mr. Crow sing. Mr. Crow was a very silly bird. Silly means you can say in Hindi bewakoof. Okay. He felt very happy when he heard what Mr. Fox said. He opened his beak to sing. The cheese fell down from his beak. Mr. Fox picked it up and ran away. So as you can see in the picture here, that crow is sitting here. उसके मुंह में एक cheese का टुकड़ा था, and this fox was there. He wanted to eat that cheese. तो उसने क्या किया? Because fox is very clever and this crow is very silly. So fox ने क्या बोला crow से कि तुम बहुत अच्छा गाते हो. And crow became very happy. बहुत खुश हो गया. And fox said, I want you to sing a song. Fox ने crow को गाना गाने के लिए बोला. और क्योंकि क्रो वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, ही थॉट येस ओके आई सिंग वेरी वेल. जैसे ही उसने अपना चोंच खोला गाने के लिए, क्या हुआ? ये चीज़ का टुकड़ा उसके मुंह से गिर गया. एंड दिस फॉक्स वॉज क्लेवर इनफ टू पिक दिस चीज एंड ही ran away. Okay, now fill in the blanks with words taken from the story. So I hope you've understood this short story, funny story. Mr. Crow sat on the dash of a tree. So what you will write here? B R A N C H, branch of a tree. He had a piece of cheese in his dash, in his beak. B-E-A-K. See, it is given here. Had a piece of cheese in his beak. Now, Mr. Fox wanted the piece of cheese. P-I-E-C-E. Piece of C-H-E-E-S-E. I hope it is clear, see children. P-I-E-C-E. Piece of C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. He was a dash animal. He was a clever animal. Mr. Fox was a C-L-E-V-E-R. Intelligent. Okay. Clever animal. Chalak. He told Mr. Crow to sing. उसने क्या बोला? गाना गाने को बोला. Mr. Crow opened his beak to sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. The dash fell down. The cheese fell down. C-H-E-E-E-S-E. The cheese fell down fell down. Dash picked it up and dash away. So who picked it up? Mr. Fox. So how you write Mr. children? M capital, R small, and you will put a full stop after this. Mr. Fox. F should be capital, okay? Picked it up and ran. मतलब वो भाग गया. So branch, beak, piece of cheese, clever, then sing, again sing, cheese, Mr. Fox. Can you answer these questions? Where was Mr. Crow sitting? Mr. Crow was sitting on the branch of a tree. Here you will write here, on the branch of a tree. What did Mr. Fox want? Mr. Fox wanted the piece of cheese. P-I-E-C-E. Piece of cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Then next is, what kind of tail did Mr. Fox have? Mr. Fox has a, again see M capital, R small, and put a full stop. Mr. Fox, F should be capital, okay? Mr. Fox has a bushy tail. B-U-S-H-Y. Bushy tail. Okay. See, first is on the branch of a tree. Second, the piece of cheese. Mr. Fox has a bushy tail. Now children, with this we finish this chapter number 29, The Fox and the Crow. Thank you.